Today is Monday, Parashat Shemot. We're beginning this week a new book in the Torah, the book of Shemot. And there's going to be 6 weeks that starts with this week that are known as the period of shovevim in our calendar. Shovevim is an acronym. Shemot, Va'era, Bo, Beshalach, Yitro, Mishpatim. Also the word shovevim is quoted in the pasuk, Shuvu banim shovevim, come back and repent. Children who have gone wayward, gone off the dead, need to do teshuvah. So this period of the 6 weeks is a period where we get extra assistance from Shamayim to do teshuvah, and specifically in 2 areas. One is Shmirat Alashon, and the other one is Shmirat Abrit. Shmirat Alashon is to repent and be careful with our speech, that it should be always proper speech, positive, not leshon hara, no deceit, no nedarim that are not fulfilled. And then Shmirat Abrit has to do with modesty, with morality, and we get extra assistance, mishamayim, to do teshuvah in these 2 areas. This is also a period of the year when we dedicate 1 day to Ta'anit Dibur. What is Ta'anit Dibur? It's for 1 day you refrain from any mundane speech, that the whole day is dedicated in terms of any of your speech. Of course, you can remain silent the whole day, but if you were to speak, it should be only divrei Torah, reading Tehillim, or prayer. So it's not just a historical story that tells us about the history of the Jewish people thousands of years ago when they were slaves and then they went out and then they received the Torah, but actually the aura of this period of the year, which repeats itself every year when we come to these dates in the calendar, we are again assisted from Shamayim to go into true freedom in the way of Torah. True freedom when we get to break the shackles of Yetzer Hara that may incite us to do things that are wrong, and specifically in these areas of speech and morality, that we get extra assistance. And that's why we do on Day of Ta'anit Dibur. A lot of the Chok L'Yisrael that we learn every day is going to relate to these areas, to these subjects, because that's the theme, so to speak, of these 6 weeks of going out from being enslaved, so to speak, by Yetzer Hara in those areas to a true freedom in the way of Torah. Baruch Adonai le'olam, amen ve'amen.